I've always done makeups, but I know that those those things weren't makeup. No, no, no. They were not giving at all. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Chinagarum here, and I'm so happy to have you back again to my channel. I posted a video last week. I hope you have seen that video. If you've not seen it, please go and do so. And this video is going to be very brief. I just wanted to share something with you guys. So early last year, I wanted to do something for self-development, and at the time I was still trying to, I think I just started my final year in school. So we actually had this moment where school went on strike. It was an internal strike, by the way. And then I just thought to myself, this is not the time to just go and slack, I decided to go pick up something for personal development. And the only thing that I could do at the time was to learn how to drive. It was one of the things I really wanted to, in fact, it was the first thing on my bucket list. And the next thing was, immediately I finished learning how to drive, I was just going to go and get my my license. And immediately I enrolled. It was just a 1-month class, and I really loved that session because it was something I looked forward to doing, and I was able to do so fast. And after that 1 month, I applied to get my driver's license, and eventually I got my driver's license, and I think I ticked everything off my bucket list. This year I am done with school. I am just waiting for my induction, so I'm still in school. And one of the things, when 2025 started, I really wanted to do something for myself, something that's going to be beneficial to me again. And the only thing that came to my mind was to learn how to do a proper makeup. I've always done makeups, but I know that those things weren't makeup. No, no, no. They were not giving at all. As much as I liked them, because it was just simple things. I just work with my foundation, I work with the powder, and then lipsticks, and just eyeshadow, but I didn't do it the proper way. This year was an opportunity that presented itself, and the first thing I did, the only thing that I could think of, was to learn a proper makeup. And then I had to go for makeup classes. So today I'm just going to show you a bunch of things that I bought. They are everything that you will need as a beginner, whether you're trying to learn makeup as a business or you're trying to learn makeup for your personal gain. I think that these products will help you because they came highly recommended by my tutor. And even though some of the things I got here are not necessarily they are not necessarily things you need as a beginner, because at some point I realized that I needed some things even after I had made the original purchase, but I had to go back and just try to get more things that I needed in the course of the class. So stay tuned and let's just get right into it. Starting off strongly with this BIODERMA micellar water, and I also have these baby wipes. And so on days where I can't use this one will serve. A pack of cotton wool pads. I have this hydrating spray from BECHARM, Power Seal Sweat Stop, the ZARON hydrating face serum. This is what it looks like. case you're wondering. This OMARICODE Mate O'Clock Primer, very lovely. Moisturizer, this is lovely by the way. This SYLViMAK setting spray, this VASELINE lip balm, this GIRLZ corner set of brushes. It's about 30 pieces in here. I had to take out some. These ones here, we didn't really use these ones, but I think that these brushes are worth the price that I bought them for. AVOUR Best Skin Foundation, this foundation from AVOUR. I also have the concealer. I got 2 concealers but in 2 different shades. So I have this one, this shade of concealer. These are the 2 shades of concealer. I hope you can see that they are not the same shade. So this is a mixing pan. At first I didn't really think that this was necessary, but it was during the class I found out that I really needed this. So it just helps me to see the shade of foundation I'm going to be using, so I don't make any mistakes with the right shade of foundation. This mixing potion from SoPro, this actually helps to make your sometimes your concealer may be sticky or a little bit too thick. This will actually make it give it a lighter consistency. I got this after the class because I noticed a lot of things. So most of the things here I didn't really buy them because I knew it from the beginning. It was during the class I realized I really need some things, and I think that even despite the fact that I have everything here, I still think that there are some things I will still need, but for the meantime I am okay with everything that I have here. So some of the things that I got, I didn't buy it because I knew to buy them from the start. I also got this Pop Me makeup base, eyeshadow base rather. This is this beauty blender. It came with the soap that you can wash it with. This is not a blender. I think this is a pop, but this is in triangle shape. It helps with concealing after your concealer. Another powder puff. I like this one. It's so soft and fluffy. Younger Beauty setting powder, liquid blush palette and highlighter palette. I love that this powder palette has a variety of powder shades that you can actually pick from. I was so happy when I opened this and we found this gorgeous mirror that came in handy. This blush palette from Glam Beauty. Other eyeshadow palette. I really love this one. It has a lot of very beautiful colors. Let me show you. They're very nice. I love them. You see? Eyeshadow palettes. This Younger Beauty eyeliner. Blossom Makeover 2-in-1 mascara. I got this pack of lashes. So as you can see, I have just been able to use one out of it. At some point I realized that I was going to be wasting these lashes if I do my makeup every day since I'm just learning, but I used one to learn how to just place an eyelash properly, and ever since then I've not used this. So this is going to serve me in the long run. I have this lash glue from Classic Makeup. Then this matte lip gloss from AVOUR. This nude lip stain from Classic Makeup again. This shade of lip liner is from, this is not a lip liner actually, this is a lip paint. This is from BECHARM AGELESS in that shade. I have this gloss from Blossom Makeup. So just in case you are wondering what are the things that you need, I think everything that I have shown you here is enough to aid you in your start to upgrade your makeup look. There are other products that are cheap and are very much affordable, just in case some of these things here are above your budget. You don't always have to go for high-end. You can always stick to something that is within your budget, and with time you're going to improve on them. So I hope that everything I have shown you here will help you. And just in case I'm missing out on something else you think that I need as a beginner, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. And I hope that these things that I have shown you today, they are enough to actually help you and be a proper guide to you as you begin. So while you are in this journey, I will encourage you to take it very seriously and learn. Until I come your way again, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.